Let's be honest, most earn online platforms overpromise and underdeliver. You spend hours on surveys, tasks, or apps and walk away with next to nothing. But then there's Freecash.com. It's one of the easiest ways to earn gift cards quickly, and if you're not already using it, you're seriously missing out. What makes it different? Well, let's dive into everything Freecash has to offer and why it's the best platform for fast, no-hassle gift cards. So first, how does Freecash.com work? Well, Freecash.com is a platform that rewards you for completing simple tasks like surveys, testing apps, watching videos, and more. For every task you complete, you earn points, which can be converted into gift cards, PayPal Cash, or even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. And here's what makes it special. It's fast, simple, and totally legit. Unlike some platforms where you wait weeks for your money or hit a huge withdrawal threshold, Freecash lets you cash out as soon as you earn 50 cents. That means you can start redeeming rewards almost immediately. So, why is Freecash the easiest way to earn gift cards? Well, it all comes down to their streamlined system and fast payouts. First, the earning process is straightforward. Once you sign up, using my exclusive link or QR code, of course, you're ready to start earning. Browse through tasks, choose the ones that pay the most, and complete them at your own pace. Second, the variety of gift cards is impressive. Whether you're looking for Amazon, Google Play, or even niche retailers, Freecash has options for everyone. And since most payouts are processed instantly, you won't have to wait to start using your gift cards. And let's not forget the low withdrawal threshold. A lot of platforms make you earn $10, $20, or more before you can cash out. But with Freecash, you can redeem rewards once you hit 50 cents, making it perfect for people who want quick, tangible results. If you want to make the most out of Freecash.com, here's what you need to know. Start by using my exclusive link or QR code to sign up. This ensures you get any available bonuses or perks right from the start. Once you're in, focus on high-paying tasks and surveys. These are usually listed at the top of the platform and offer the best return for your time. Next, take advantage of Freecash's daily leaderboard rewards. If you're active and consistent, you can earn bonus points just for being a top user. And don't overlook the referral program. It's an easy way to earn extra by inviting friends to join. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. Why Freecash over other platforms? Well, for starters, their fast payouts are a game changer. You don't have to wait weeks to receive your rewards. Most gift card redemptions are processed instantly. That's a big deal if you're looking for quick gratification. Plus, the platform is super user-friendly. You don't need to be tech-savvy to navigate it, and finding tasks is incredibly simple. Everything is laid out clearly, so you can jump straight into earning. Finally, Freecash offers way more flexibility in how you redeem your points. Whether you want gift cards, PayPal Cash, or cryptocurrency, the choice is yours. Freecash.com is perfect for just about anyone who wants to make extra money or snag free rewards without a ton of effort. Students can use it during study breaks to earn gift cards for essentials. Stay-at-home parents can complete tasks while managing their busy schedules. And if you're just looking for an easy way to make a little extra cash in your downtime, it's perfect for that too. Freecash.com isn't just another earn money online platform. It's one of the best ways to quickly and easily earn gift cards, cash, or crypto. With its fast payouts, low withdrawal threshold, and user-friendly system, it's hard to find a reason not to try it. If you're ready to start earning, use the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up today. It's free, easy, and packed with opportunities to turn your spare time into real rewards. So, what are you waiting for? Get started now and let Freecash show you how simple earning gift cards can really be.